Now we're on lesson 13, reintroducing inequalities on page 73. So 13.1, greater than 1. The number line shows values of x that makes the inequality x greater than 1 equal true. So this open circle, that means it's only numbers that are greater than 1. It's not including that 1. So select all the values of x from this list that make the inequality x is greater than 1. Is 3 greater than 1? Yes, it is. What about negative 3? No, it's not, because it's less than it. You would rather $1 than negative $3. 1? No, because it has to be greater than 1, not equal to, just greater. What about 700? Yes. This is true. It's definitely greater than 1. And 1.05? Yes, because it's 0.5 greater than 1. Okay, use my blue pen. Boom, boom, and boom. Okay? So you have to name 2 more values of x that are solutions to the inequality. Any number greater than 1. So you could have 2, 3, 4, 5, etc., etc. So a roller coaster, a sign next to a roller coaster at an amusement park says, "You must be at least 60 inches tall to ride." Noah is happy to know that he is tall enough. Noah is X inches tall. Which of the following can be true? So out of these 3, really and truly, honestly, it would be X is greater than or equal to 60. But they don't have that in the choices. So at least, wherever it says, at least is greater than or equal to. And so this sign is greater than or equal to. Okay? So out of these 3, you would put this sentence, because that's the only options it's giving you. So x is greater than 60 because at least means that Noah must be 60 inches or taller. Really and truly, it should be, if that's the case, it should be or equal to. So x is either 60 or taller than that. I'm making an adjustment to that. So this should be that. So for number 2, Noah's friend is 2 inches shorter than Noah. So can you tell if Noah's friend is tall enough to go on the ride? No. We don't know if Noah's friend is tall enough to go on a ride on the ride. We don't know Noah's height. Therefore, we won't know Noah's friends. Height. That's horrible. So number 3, you have to list one possible height for Noah that means that his friend is tall enough to go on the ride, and another that means that his friend is too short. So let's say if Noah was 63 inches tall, then the friend could be 61 inches. And then he's able to ride. So, but if Noah is, 61 inches tall, his friend would be about 59. Ooh, can't count. 59 inches tall. Therefore, he is not able to ride the coaster. Because you have to be 60 inches or taller in order to ride. But if Noah was 60, then his friend, so if Noah, this is everywhere, is 60 and his friend will be 58. So therefore he can't ride. So on the number line, show all the possible heights that Noah's friend could be. So all the possible heights that his friend could be, and you already know Noah's able to go. So Noah's basically 60 or more, but his friend would have to be 58 or more. So if we have a closed circle like this, that means it's including the 58. So then you have to shade in all of these that are greater than 58. So this diagram, or this number line, shows you a circle that is closed, including the 58 and greater than, which is shaded. So number 5, Noah's friend is y inches tall. Use y in any of the symbols to express the height. So again, you also have these, which is less than or equal to. And this is greater than or equal to. So Noah would be y is greater than or equal to 58 in order for him, just in order to be able to figure out what his friend's height would be. And so now you have to determine if these inequalities are true for if you plug these in place of x. So if 0 is in place of x, that means 0 is less than or greater or equal to 25. So that's true. So of 100, would that be less than or equal to? No. False. You have a negative 100. Is negative 100 less than or equal to 25? Yes, because negative is less than a positive. And 25, well, yeah, you have you have regular 25. So 25 is equal to 25, so yes, that's true. So 100 times is less than 4x, so 4 times 0 is 0. And so 100 is definitely greater than 0, so that's false. 4 times 100 is 400, and 100 is definitely less than, so that's true. 100 times negative 100 times 4 is negative 400, which is actually less than 100, because 100 is greater than negative 100. So that's false. And 25 times 4 is 100. but 100 is equal to 25. Oh, Lord. 100 is equal to 100, so therefore that is false. So now I have negative 3 times 0. I actually want you to go ahead and do these actually without me. Okay, so if you did it, so you have 0, that's true, false, true, false, and then false, true, false, true. And then now you also need to do whatever problems of lesson 13 are on that form as well.